What's up, guys? Thank you guys for watching another video. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I am actually in the process of moving, so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit until you guys see another video. But I am working on the Z again. I am gonna replace those ugly wheels, and I'm gonna put the new ones on. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. All right, so there are a couple of steps that I need to do first before I add the wheels or put the wheels together. I do need to polish this a little bit more. It has a little bit of scratches on it. And I do need to polish all of these little nuts and bolts. So yeah.
Take you to the Hotel Martinet in Brooklyn, where Bobby Millett and his orchestra are offering a program of dance music.
There you have it, boys. Not the best, but it's really shiny. I like it. Okay, so for the next step, I have about like 34 of these. So I gotta polish 34 nuts and bolts. Okay, so here's a little mock-up of how it's supposed to look. I did one in between, so I still got a lot left. I still got a lot left over still to do. But it looks pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Imagine that shit on that. Alright guys, so I'm doing my part 2 now. I did the first half yesterday. And now I'm going to do the other half. Now you have to put blue rocks on each and every one. And make sure you do that. And make sure you torque them down to 25.
Take you to the Hotel Martinet in Brooklyn, where Bobby Millett and his orchestra are offering a program of dance music.
Alright, one more wheel left. I gotta take off all the paint and polish it. And then it'll be just get on it.
Take you to the Hotel Martinet in Brooklyn, where Bobby Millett and his orchestra are offering a program of dance music.
that's it. Alright, so this is what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like now.